What's up there, Black family? This is Kevin Warden Price of the Africa Town Coalition. And, we have some political drama going on right now. Matter of fact, the man that you see right here, Mike DeFeuer, okay, Mike DeFeuer. He is the city attorney of Los Angeles, and he seems to have decided to wage a war against the Africa Town Coalition. Now, I understand that, Mike Fear might be um, a little bit sensitive about, Chesapeake Apartments, some comments that were made by myself and other individuals. Because Chesapeake Apartment is one of, I believe, I don't know, 140 something lawsuits that Mike Fear has against property owners to drive out residents. That seems to be the tool that's being used for this purpose. I mean, the gang injunction is gone, so you have to do something. So this is what Mike Fear is involved in at this particular time, is this vendetta. You know what I'm saying? This vendetta is petty. It is, for you to use your office in such a way. It's ridiculous. But I'm going to get just a little bit further into this here because, personally speaking, I think that what you really need to do is to get your head out of your ass and really mind your business and leave the Africa Town Coalition alone. I mean, you have two, maybe, I think it's two people before the courts right now, and it's serves what purpose? You're stacking up lies on top of lies on top of lies, deceit on top of deceit on top of deceit, and you're violating the First Amendment rights of the Africa Town Coalition and the individuals that you are illegally prosecuting like this is Nazi Germany or something. You know what I'm saying? That's why I started off with the name De Fuhrer. You understand what I'm saying? Because you're acting like this is Nazi Germany. You understand what I'm saying? The Africa Town Coalition gets assaulted by LAPD slave patrollers on September 4th, 2017. We get assaulted, but yet you filed charges against us. So, I mean, the assault by LAPD that we're talking about is at Hubert's Liquor Store. There was a small group of Africa Town Coalition members that was lawfully assembled. Because there it is right there. It says lawful assembly. Here, where's my little arrow at? I just want to do that there. Lawful assembly. We have a First Amendment right to assemble. You see what I'm saying? And that's what we were doing. Matter of fact, prior to the incident that kicked it off, it had already been determined that we were exercising our First Amendment right to assemble in public properly. Okay, so this vendetta that's going on really needs to be looked at because we have a First Amendment issue here. And really, I'm just going to look at two. The speech. You can't abridge our speech. You can't stop our speech. No matter how distasteful it may be to you, you can't do that. Assemble. You cannot stop the people from assembling because we're not going to tolerate that. Really, we're not. So, I really wanted to get these thoughts out because, when you're in court, they don't want you to talk, you see, and they want the attorney to do all the talking. So that means that our